Hi and welcome back to the Menopause channel. I am Dr. Ushma Maniyar, your menopause consultant, and let us talk about myths related to menopause hormone therapy. Since the past 2 decades, both the consultants as well as patients have been extremely scared of taking menopause hormone therapy. The reason is some studies have shown some association between menopause hormone therapy and cancer. But over the past 2 decades, this myth has been totally busted by various studies, including better molecules, including better patient profiles, including better involvement of the clinicians as well as patients. What happened? What happened was that the study was a very limited study. It was based on a very limited population, and the study unfortunately could never be completed, and the results were out before that. But this study led to a lot of thinking, brainstorming, and evolution of newer molecules. These newer molecules combined with progesterone and other non-hormonal as well as hormonal different molecules led to evolving of an entire basket of hormone therapy, which is now customized to patients' need. So, if your consultant has advised you to take menopause hormone therapy, then he or she will investigate you thoroughly. Your signs and symptoms, the indications of hormone therapy, your thorough clinical evaluation, various investigations, various protocols will first be screened. Once this screening is done, then the consultant will realize whether you are eligible and whether the benefits will outweigh the risk of hormone therapy or not. And then the hormone therapy will be prescribed for you. After this, there will be continuous monitoring for as long as required or as long as therapy continues. The dictum is the smallest possible dose for a shortest possible time. This reduces to almost negligible the chances of breast or endometrial cancer, which were thought to be associated with hormone therapy. The second myth which patients almost always are concerned about is the weight gain. Friends, we have discussed this before. The weight gain is associated with menopause itself and not the treatment. In fact, a good treatment, hormone therapy, combined with adequate lifestyle changes can actually help weight loss because the estrogen will help metabolism, and the more the better the metabolism is, the better absorption of the food, the better digestion, the better usage, and better weight control. So weight gain is not associated with the therapy itself. And the last myth which many patients are concerned about is once you start hormone therapy, you have to continue it for life. No dear, that is not true. Here the dictum which is followed worldwide is customization according to patient's requirement. Second thing is smallest possible dose for a shortest possible duration. And third and the most important thing is we avoid the usage of hormone therapy beyond 60 years of age. After 60, most of your clinicians will definitely try to give you non-hormonal therapy so that your signs and symptoms are controlled at the same time you do not have side effects. So have faith, have trust in your consultant and take your hormone therapy happily and confidently. For any more knowledge or any more discussions about this, kindly write to us at the Vadodara Menopause Clinic at gmail.com. Thank you. Bye.